Cousins. What's up, family? Welcome back. I'm your girl so cosmic. This is my cosmic life. We're gonna get into another general reading, okay? It's collective, general. It will not resonate for everyone, so take what does, leave what doesn't, leave all the rest behind, all that stuff. What are the messages for the collective, Most High God? What does the viewer need to know? What are the messages? Four of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Swords. Someone's checking out. Ace of Cups, Judgment, Hangman. Someone's checked out of a family situation or a commitment. There was a betrayal. Someone's thinking about new love, or someone's new beginning in love is a betrayal to someone. Someone has cast judgment here, seeing things from a different perspective. Piscean energy here. We have the Prince of Cups, Justice, Libra, Strength, Leo. Princess of Disc, King of Disc, Wheel of Fortune. The King of Pentacles here, getting the courage to do something right, going towards someone with some type of emotional expression, having seen something from a different perspective, ending some type of family dynamic, some type of relationship, commitment. It's almost like someone here is watching this person and noticing how they are checked out. Someone's checked out. Someone sees that someone is checked out. They can feel it. They can see it. This is a betrayal because maybe they are going towards new love. Someone's going towards new love, or they're loving themselves here. Someone feels like they missed an opportunity with an Empress, Taurus, Libra energy. They're watching this person secretly, in secret. They have secret feelings that they hide. Someone sees this though. Someone knows. Someone knows. They're trying to keep it in that they feel rejected. They feel left out in the cold. They feel like they have missed an opportunity here. Or they are looking at this Empress like the Empress isn't interested. They don't feel good enough. There's someone's completely focused on an Empress. This is how it's coming out. Look how he's looking, that one cup. He's got all these cups around him, and it's the one cup with the flower that he's focused on. Look at all the flowers around the Empress. She is the flower. She is the bloom. She is the garden, part of the garden. Tell me more about the Four of Cups with the Empress. The Tower. This is like a wake-up call. There's a realization here. This Empress, if you identify with being an Empress, male or female, could be having a sudden realization. This is like a download. This is like God talking to you about having a new beginning, taking some type of leap of faith to go on some type of journey of self-discovery, hermit. Someone's realizing that they need to go on a journey of self-discovery to grow. Why the Tower? Nine of Wands. Someone could realize that they want to fight for this Empress, maybe wanting to apologize for walking away, or pushing this Empress to walk away, causing some type of, I don't know, something here in this Empress's life. Yeah, someone realizing something about a connection is very cutthroat. It is very... It's not a safe environment in this relationship. Something's not safe about it. Or someone's wanting to win some type of money or something, like gain some type of money or inheritance in a relationship, and that's what it's all about. 5 of Swords, 2 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles. It's just about the money. What's the 5 of Swords? The Queen of Wands. So a Queen of Wands is cutthroat, or someone's trying to cut down a Queen of Wands Empress energy to get a 2 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles. There's a King of Cups that's heartbroken and distraught because he tried to cut down, or he or she tried to cut down a Queen of Wands in a 2 of Cups connection in order to get a 10 of Pentacles, to get money. But you're too discerning. Someone's too discerning here. They made the right choice to block and stand up for themselves and protect their stability. Someone tried to steal something from somebody. That keeps coming out, child. The thieves are among us. What is this 10 of Swords? 8 of Swords. Ooh, wee. Somebody's trapped by some type of betrayal. It's a corrupt individual or people here. An Emperor and a Queen of Pentacles. Give me one more on this. 2 of Wands in the reverse. Someone's plans are destroyed here. A group's. There's a group's whose plans are destroyed. 10 of Swords, 8 of Swords. 2 of Wands in the reverse. You don't get to move forward. Fuck your plans. Fuck your plans. That's what the card is saying. Someone's plans are destroyed. A group's who was trying to take from a King of Cups. Who has, or this King of Cups led this group, and now they're all heartbroken and distraught. What's the Ace of Cups? They were trying to ruin something or take something. We have the 7 of Wands in the reverse with the 7 of Pentacles. Someone's putting their guards down. They're ready to invest with the Queen of Cups. The Star, Justice, Page of Swords. They're coming. They feel very lost here without this person. And that's the truth. They want to close out a cycle. They want to come out of feeling like they are rejected. They're putting their guards down. Yeah, they want to put their guards down, invest. They have clarity. They want to communicate. Someone wants to communicate with you. You're going to get some type of communication from this King of Cups. They may tell you about a Sagittarius. Or they want to talk about how you're so calm. What's this Judgment? There's that Temperance, Sagittarian energy with the Sun, Leo, Magician, Virgo, Gemini. Someone wants to, they're awakening to what it is to heal this situation, what it means to heal this situation. Yeah, they see an opportunity to heal something here. Ace of Discs, Temperance, the Lovers, Choice, Gemini energy. So someone is checked out of another situation, or they feel like they've missed an opportunity and they're checked out of life in general. Someone's plans didn't go the way that they thought. Okay, someone could have tried to cut you down in this connection. Maybe this person, this King of Cups, could have been like cutting you down in the connection, competing with you or wanting to win at all costs or something. Their plans didn't go the way that they thought. Now they're feeling betrayed. Now they're feeling stuck. Now they're wanting to let their guard down and wanting some type of new beginning and invest and approach something with clarity and truth. They've awakened to maybe like your temperament. It's very calm, it's very soothing, it's very healing, and they see an opportunity here. They're seeing this from a different perspective. They want victory, they want to expand. Here's the group. This is also them wanting to reconnect. What is this, Hangman? The Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they may be looking at a group differently. Five of Cups, or looking at the fact that they didn't work with you. Someone did not work with you. They didn't. The Chariot, Cancer energy, the World, and you moved on. You closed this cycle. You moved on, and now they're looking at this, crying over spilled milk. Let's see. What other messages want to come out? Actually, I don't even care about this message anymore. It's the same message. It's just the same repeat. Somebody sad that they fucked up. They did the wrong. They made the wrong choice. They didn't choose you. Okay. Moving on. They didn't choose you. What messages? Let's see. Let's get some more messages. What else wants to come out? Messages for the collective. What does the viewer need to know? Messages for the collective. We have Fish. We have Child. We have Key, and we have the Dog. You're getting some type of new beginning, like your resources, your money, your finances, your resources, your emotional flow could be resuming. Okay, you're building that again. There's a new start here, a new beginning. Some of you could be finding out that you're pregnant. Fish, Child, Key, like, oh my god. Yeah, you could be getting news that you're gonna have someone to support here soon. Yeah, you could be getting congratulations to you. I want to be an official auntie. Okay, some of you are looking at this is all after, like, you ending a connection too with someone that maybe you were very loyal to, very supportive of. They could have been loyal, maybe not loyal, but they were loyal to you or supportive of you in some type of way. But something ended, okay? Something ended. There could have been some type of key information or realization here. What is this? Fish? Crossroads, being at a crossroads when it comes to your resources, your finances, where to allow your emotions to flow. Someone could be split in where they're giving, you know, their time, attention to when it comes to their money and their emotions. They could be going down two different roads, split roads. Or thinking about becoming more stable in where you're placing that money and energy and time and emotions. What is the child here? We have the bear. Yeah, some of y'all about to become mama bears. You're going to have something to protect. This is also you protecting some type of new start, protecting your emotions. There's something very key here about choosing a path and you protecting this new beginning fiercely with a lot of domination. Like, don't fuck with my new path. Some of you are sending communication to a family that is abusive about this new beginning. You're communicating that I'm going to have a new start. This is what you're doing. Could have something to do with love. I just saw the heart. What is this key? Is this someone's solution? Someone feels this is their solution. Yeah, they may be keeping this secret right now, not telling, not talking about it. With the book. It could be a feminine doing this, or this could be about a feminine. What else? Yeah. Anchor with the heart. So someone feels maybe split when it comes to a path. And it's all tied up with the heart and feeling bound to something because of like emotional ties. Someone could also feel like there's like an authority figure here, a parental figure here, who is like the source of love, stability. And so that's maybe why they're a little split too on some type of new beginning. They may realize that they have to end something here, though. What else? The sun. Congratulations, y'all. Some of y'all are having babies. Summer babies. Something's been illuminated that something's over. Someone's ending something. They're choosing a path, and it's very much tied to their heart, their joy, their happiness, financial growth, and abundance. Maybe starting a family. This masculine energy is maturing, has matured. What is this key with the book? One more. The man. This is all about a masculine energy here. Seeing an opportunity and maybe wanting to take an opportunity to separate themselves from some type of isolating situation. Some type of system, some type of contract. They're cutting them. They see an opening, an opportunity to choose a different path here. Yes. Okay. Let's see. No, not that. Let's see. What else wants to come out here? So that was the same message from the first spread. So it's the same message. What's in this book? The King of Swords. There's a lot of truth that this masculine energy is withholding. Star, Ten of Swords. This King of Swords may feel like they're losing hope, but I don't think it's losing hope in everything. It's in a particular... Why the Ten of Swords? Before I go assuming. Why the Ten of Swords? The Eight of Cups. Because something ended. Yeah. Death. A connection that made them very happy or was a wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups, Lovers, Gemini energy, Five of Pentacles. They feel sad and regretful, or abandoned and rejected, rather. What's the Star? The Knight of Pentacles. They're slowly seeing something from a different perspective and gaining a new desire here to start love again. Yeah, there's a choice being made about having a new beginning. The Sun again, Judgment, Four Swords. Someone does feel trapped in their past, in their childhood. Alright. What's the masculine gonna do? What action is this masculine gonna take? The Fool in reverse. They're not going to do shit. They're just going to think about it and sit around and ponder about what they missed. Fighting themselves. Five of Wands. On whether or not they should take action and do something that's an even give and take. Okay. What else? Got another message and then we'll wrap it up. Any other messages here? Any other messages here? We have distance. Distance and patience. Guardian. What's distance? Divorce. Gambling. We give it time. A narcissist. Are we giving a narcissist time? I don't think... No, the fuck not. I don't think so. Or they're dealing... Oh, okay. It's the same fucking message. You've got someone at a distance, okay? The ball is going to be in your court however this goes, okay? But you've got someone at a distance who's going through some type of divorce. They're taking some type of risk to end a cycle with a narcissistic gold digger that they're involved with, okay? They're thinking about date night and intimacy and moving, how they were a liar with you. It's saying patience is just a few more months. Good things come to those who wait. So it's something about this. Maybe this person has to wrap up whatever it is they're wrapping up to come towards you. We have love spell. They'll be back. So is this person doing love spells on you? Vacation, guardian, you're protected. You've distanced yourself from this. Move on. Health. So they're doing someone's doing like love spells to affect someone's health. There's going to be a confession here that comes through. Excuse me. What's love spell? A King of Pentacles. Someone's doing love spells on a King of Pentacles, or a King of Pentacles is doing love spells on you, trying to weigh someone down. Someone's trying to overburden, overcommit someone. Make life hard for someone. Facts. Magician. That's what they're doing. This King of Pentacles, it could be a King of Wands. This could be the same person, don't know. Is trying to, someone's here trying to, like, they're looking, I don't know if someone like tapped in, maybe they did some type of divination or went to a practitioner to get a read on you or something like that. I feel like this person, what I'm picking up on is like someone is aware of the destiny, your destiny or the destiny between a soulmate connection. Six of Cups with the Hierophant here, fate with the Wheel of Fortune. And there's someone in the mix throwing magic to affect this somehow. Tell me more about the love spells and the King of Pentacles. King of Wands in the reverse, I'm telling you. That's the warlock right there. Ace of Wands. A player who does sex magic. Ace of Wands, Sun, Seven of Swords. It's being illuminated that this person does sex magic, is a warlock. Could even be the one who baby traps. You know, narcissists do that. And we saw the Tower in Lenormand. That's isolation. They have a recipe to isolate you from friends and family, to cut you down, to have you rely on them. Like there's no other source of support, at least giving you that impression. They're your provider. They're your sole financial provider, emotional provider, and physical support. But they cut you down in the process, and they'll try to trap you. The more isolated, the more dependent on them you are, the better. So someone could be trapping people with children. So because that's how I can control you. I will always have access to you if you have my baby. You're gross. You're gross. You are. You're gross. Someone here was also throwing spells at a connection. Same message. I'm done giving you bitches your little 15 minutes of fame and platform acknowledgement. I'm done doing that. Y'all some weird fuckers, and I'm done doing that. At least for today. We'll come back tomorrow and we'll expose some more of your shit, okay? Alright guys, that's what I have for you. I'll see you next time. Bye.